It was great here today in Kamishi to wake up to a nice sunny day after the rain from yesterday. So we had a really good captain's run, although it was a little bit more than a captain's run. It was with a short turnaround, just a few more things to implement in our game plan and make sure that with the changes in the team, everyone really knew their role clarity well. But a very good training session, and to me the players are in a really good mindset going towards this game. A number of new players in the team. It's really important that they put their hand up tomorrow and play well. We need the fresh players to really show a lot of leadership in the game, because we know that some of the players who played, especially a full game against Australia, although physically they're feeling pretty good, mentally they're a little fatigued. So for those players, those new players coming in, it's important that they show leadership, firstly, to get a good performance against Uruguay, and secondly, those players have really got to put their hand up for selection, in the next match against Georgia.